Hello everyone, let's look into this first video on my YouTube channel, like how to sketch like a designer. Okay, I have some sketches in front of you. We're gonna see how I sketch them, and probably this is gonna help you in sketching. So let's get started. So we're gonna make this sketch, and I will start and guide you a little bit how we can make this. So okay, let's start. I'm going to first make a simple cube. You can see that I need a little practice in sketching straight lines. I need to warm up first. Okay. By the way, you can warm up yourself by sketching straight lines like this. And this way it can help you to sketch straight line. You can make some cubes also. This is a warming up technique you can use. Okay, let's complete this line. I'm trying to make a toaster here, a little different one. Drawing these lines together here, this one here. Trying to give it around corners. Yeah, there's a little bit going on here. Let's make the places where the toaster will go. We can add some lines here to show that in 3D. I'll add some color in there so it will like show the 3D in more reality, a little shadow down there. I'll make the center line here. If we're gonna go from here to here, it's gonna go to here, then it's gonna end up here. Just make a circle here just to show the rotation button. It's like a setting you have on your toaster for the user to see how much they want to toast. I will add a little bit around here, this place, around here too. This is my first sketch on my channel, so I'm a little nervous, but I hope I will get better as we go. A little handle here too. I'm gonna add the handle a little bit outside here. Also, you don't have handle on the toaster, but I think it's a little bit good if you want to just move it around. It's just an idea. A little bit shadow going here. And then we're going to add some front here, so place something there if you want. Okay. I'm going to add some legs for the toaster too, so it sits properly on the ground. The shadow down there, let's add some shadows here for the toaster. I mostly like using these lines to show the shadow. We're not making so detailed sketch, just to add a little character to the toaster. Some lines here too. Okay. Make this one a little bit more visible. On the back too, I can add some lines just to separate it from the background. Sometimes get a little boring sketching these straight lines, but I think they add a little character to your design. Then you can, like, if you have markers, you can add markers on the back. We will do that in the later sketches too, but this is gonna help you to make these toes. So I'm gonna finish it quickly. So just separate the front from the back. Okay, cool. I'm gonna finish these lines here. I'm not going to work on too much on shadows right now. Probably I'm going to show you in the next sketches how you can add shadows in there. But let's do that. I will add a little bit tray in the back. Let's say it's going from here to here. And it's coming out like this, a little bit like here and something like this. A little corrector to the tray. Okay, so this was like open up from the back if you want to clean it. Okay, you can also mark areas like this is like handle. This is, what is it? I mean, maybe let's write it. I don't know, area to place things. It's really good to mark things in the industrial designing and in designing products, so you can show what they're all about. Let's say this is a button, like this round one. Okay, little marking on that too. This is the place for the toaster. Of course we can make a toaster here too if you want. Should go like this, but it's gonna add too much detail there, but I think it's good enough just to write here. It says toaster is the area of plate, that's the handle, that's the legs for grip. This is a good way you can write little details so people can understand directly about your sketch, what it's all about. Little roundness there. Here too. Okay, that's it. We're gonna work further on the sketches, but this is like, let's say, a sketch 1. Okay, thank you.